Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make stewed chicken, Jamaican style recipe. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. So now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the stewed chicken. So this the chicken I'm going to use, and this is 4 pieces of leg quarter. Just need to cut them up, wash them with lime and some white vinegar. To season the chicken, I'm going to use my all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of black pepper. Here, I'm also going to use some green seasoning. Here, so I have 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. I have some pimentos. I have fresh thyme. Here, I have some onions chopped up, and this is half of a small onion chopped up. Here, I have 2 stalks of scallions chopped up also. 4 cubes of garlic chopped up. Here, I have 1 small carrot cut up. Here, I have some cherry tomatoes cut up also, and some sweet pepper. I'm going to use some ketchup, tomato ketchup. I'm going to use corn oil. Also, I'm going to steam 2 cups of rice. Going to add some butter to it, and 1 green Scotch bonnet pepper. So this the pot I'm going to steam the rice in. So look, this is 2 cups, okay? So I'm going to wash it. So I'm going to wash it until the water comes clear. Wash 1 more time. Now I'm going to steam the rice. Remember, wash 2 cups of rice, right? So it's the same amount of water. So 2 cups of water to steam the rice, okay? Nothing more than that. Here I'm going to add a pinch of salt, piece of butter, and this is like 1 tablespoon and a half butter. Turn on the stove. Now I'm going to drop 1 Scotch bonnet pepper and cover it up. So when the water boils down, I'm going to come and fluff it. Okay, now I'm going to cut up the chicken in bite-sized pieces. Now I'm going to wash the chicken. I'm gonna add some white vinegar, 1 lime, So now I'm going to fluff the rice. And the reason why you fluff the rice, you want the rice grain them to steam evenly, okay? So you see how shelly this is? So this is nice and shelly. Now I'm going to cover it back up. So now we turn the stove on low for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to come and turn it off. Okay, now I'm going to season the chicken. I'm going to start off with my all-purpose seasoning. And that is about a tablespoon and a half all-purpose seasoning. Add a little bit of black pepper, not too much. Tablespoon green seasoning. You're going to add the pimentos. So a little bit of grace browning, just to color, not too much. And that is it. I don't want it to be too dark. So this is how I want it to look. No more darker than this, because remember I'm going to fry them first, okay? So when you season meat, right, you want it to marinate for at least 2 hours before you cook it so the seasoning could soak inside of it, okay? But now I'm just going to go straight ahead and cook this one. Okay, so the rice perfectly steamed now. So you see? Nice and shelly. Turn off the stove. So if you're having problem steaming rice, you don't have no more problem after watching this video, okay? You see? Nice and shelly. See? No more problems, okay? It up. This the pot I'm going to make this stew chicken in. So I'm going to add some oil. Not too much oil. Turn on the stove. Now the oil hot. So I'm going to fry the chicken them a little bit. I'm going to fry them on this side a little bit. Then I flip them on the next side, okay? Now I'm going to flip them over. So I'm going to make them fry for 4 minutes on that side before I take them out. Now I'm going to take them out and they fry for 8 minutes. Just going to continue with the rest. We're going to make them fry for 4 minutes on this side and flip them over. And the stove is on medium. I'm just going to flip these. So this set finish also. So I'm take them out. Now I'm going to throw out some of the excess oil. So after throw out some of the oil, I'm going to saute some onions. The garlic, all of it. Add the tomatoes. Now I'm going to add the carrots. So this is the bowl I season the chicken in. I'm going to rinse it out with 2 cups of water. And it's hot water I'm using. Get out all the excess season that leave back inside. Now I'm pour the water. Now I'm turn up the stove and high for it to come to a boil. All of the season that in at the bottom of the pot just going to lift up now with the water. Now that it come to a boil, I'm going to add the chicken back inside. Add 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, but I'm not going to make the pepper burst. Going to add fresh thyme. Now I'm going to turn the stove on medium and cover it up and allow it to cook at 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to come and season it up with the rest of seasoning. Okay, my people, look at that. I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup, about a tablespoon of ketchup. If you add too much ketchup, you're going to tongue you, okay? So do not add too much ketchup. Here I'm going to add the rest of onions. Going to add the scallions. Going to add the sweet peppers. Now I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes, okay? Okay, my people. So this is it. Cooked to perfection. So now I'm going to turn off the stove. Now I'm going to serve a plate. So I'm just going to serve some rice first. So here you have it. Stewed chicken and rice. Go for a taste. Mmm, so good. Okay, my people, thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipes to share with you all. Peace out. See you in the next one.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.